It works better with cap off. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm James. You're watching Journey into Wealth. In today's video, I'm talking about 3 beginner mistakes that most new sellers make that prevent them from making any money on eBay. So stay tuned. Here we go. Hi, my name is James. You're watching Journey into Wealth. And today we're talking about 3 mistakes. That's 2. We're talking about 3. 3 mistakes that beginners make when they first start selling on eBay that might prevent them from making any money. Not necessarily making any money, but making the most amount of money that they can. And let's just jump right into it. It's going to be a quick video today. The first mistake is thinking that price is the only factor that sells an item. That's not true. In fact, most things you wouldn't even think about sell an item far more than just the price. When you're making your listings, think about things like listing title. eBay is a search engine. If you use good keywords, you're going to get good SEO results. You're going to have more people find your listings, and if people are finding your listings, you have more opportunities for people to buy those listings. Next is item photos. A photo tells 1,000 words. That's the old adage, right? You're going to get more money if a buyer is secure in what they're buying. If you're selling items and your pictures are crap, how are people going to know what they're getting? Third is a detailed description. You want to be as detailed as possible, as quickly as possible. People don't want to read 16 paragraphs about your little blue widget. They're going to want to know as much information about the product as they possibly can in as little amount of time as you can, so be succinct, but be very descriptive. Make sure you include all of the things that are wrong with it, all of the features, all of the benefits, and then maybe a little hoo-ha about, hey, this is an awesome item, you should buy it. Don't forget your disclaimers either. Another factor that affects how much people are willing to pay is sometimes shipping cost. Shipping cost goes either way. You got people that don't offer free shipping. You got people that do offer free shipping. I'll tell you this. If you offer free shipping, eBay's going to favor your listings. Me personally, I don't offer free shipping. However, I do notice a difference in sales volume because I don't offer free shipping. And that's because in order to be part of the whole top-rated seller program and all the other stuff, they want you to have that free shipping. That keeps eBay competitive in the marketplace with things like Amazon Prime and Walmart and Target and stuff like that. And it offers buyers a chance to not have to think about how much it's going to cost to ship the item to their house. So, buyers are naturally inclined to pay a little bit more. You can even flub your price up just a little bit in order to get a little bit more money net after you pay shipping. Another important factor is return policy. Me personally, I sell no returns because I don't like dealing with returns. However, all things being equal across the marketplace, a buyer will choose a listing with a better return policy. If all the photos are the same, the price is the same, the shipping is the same, everything is the same about the item, the buyer is going to choose an item with a better return policy. So keep that in mind while you're making your listings. I'm not saying you have to offer a 60 or 120 or 575 day return policy, but what I am saying is that keep it in mind. The second mistake that new sellers make is not listing enough items consistently. Emphasis on the word consistently. See, eBay favors stores that list items consistently. If you list 100 items in a day and then let your eBay store sit stagnant for a whole month before you list another 100 items, eBay tends to frown on that with their algorithm. They would much rather you see you list 25 items a week, every week over the course of a month, and use your entire 100 or 200, I think it is now, free listings for the entry-level stores, than they would to see you list them all in bulk and then just leave your store alone for a month. So be sure to be listing consistently. The simple fact is, if you list more, you sell more. I think that goes without saying. But you can turbocharge this by cross-linking your postings, making sure you're offering combined shipping, and making sure that you're telling people you have like items. For instance, if I'm selling, let's say, some Noritake china, right, and I'm selling it pieced, I got a tea kettle here, I got a plate here, I got a sugar bowl here. I'm going to say within those listings, I have more pieces to this set, check out my other items. I will combine shipping, and that's going to increase the number of sales that I have and or the sale value per customer. That leads us to our third little dot here. Understand your personal sell-through rate. If you want to make more money, you have to know as an idea, and you won't get this data until maybe a month, 2 months, 3 months in, but you have to know your personal sell-through rate. What's a sell-through rate? A sell-through rate is something like this. Let's say you list 100 items in a month and 30 of those items sell. That's a 30% sell-through rate. That doesn't mean that only 30 items are going to sell ever. That just means your sell-through rate per month is, say, 30%. And that number will constantly be changing. But if you understand that number, it allows you to make the number of listings that you want in order to make the number of income dollars that you want. So understand your personal sell-through rate so that you can get a gauge on how many items you actually need to list in order to make the amount of money that you want to make. The third mistake new people make, not using all the tools that eBay offers you. See, eBay is designed specifically with sellers in mind, even though they favor the buyers. eBay wants you to sell as much as you can possibly sell because it makes them more money. So they offer some tools. If you're using Buy It Now, use a best offer option. If you don't use the best offer option, at least go into the app every now and again and send out one-time best offers to the people that are interested in your items. Those watchers that you get, you can send out best offers. I do mine on Sunday. Use that tool because it increases sales. Use eBay Analytics to find out which days people are most likely to buy from your specific store and your specific niche, and then send out offers on those days. Mine's Sunday. People love buying on Sunday. I get the most sales on Sunday. So every week on Saturday, I send out offers to everybody, 48-hour offers, so that on Sunday, when everybody's looking at their eBay, they see they got an offer, and then they make that purchase, and that might be the defining factor between whether they buy my item or somebody else's item. Third, if you have a store, use the email newsletter. You can send out blasts, I think it's once or twice a week, depending on your store level, to people that have signed up for your email newsletter. Slick trick, you can also build your own email newsletter if you don't tell eBay about it. But send out email blasts because those are the people that are going to come back to your store. If they've signed up and they're interested in your specific store, they're going to have signed up for your email newsletter, and there's going to eventually be a certain number of people that will come back and buy your items specifically because you sent them an email blast. You can also offer email coupons. You can also offer free shipping, promotions, deals, holiday specials, that kind of thing, and those things will increase your sales. So utilize the tools that eBay has in place so that you can make the most out of your eBay thing. Alright guys, I know that was a quick video, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments in the description below. I'll get back to you guys, maybe make another video off your comment or something like that. I appreciate y'all watching. Yeah, see you next time.